function of the 5 clubs. So whatever you go out and do is a practice.
For taking ceremony, we request everyone to please rise, put your right hand forward and repeat after me. Passion and unwavering commitment. I will lead with courage. Act with honor. And stand for inclusivity and excellence. In all we do. I vow to contribute my skills to the growth of our club. And the pride of the School of Management, Siddhartha University.
Symbolizing the trust, responsibility, and honor bestowed upon them.
Driving force behind every opportunity and continuously helping us and growing, achieving the heights.